welcome to
KidMath number 120.
KidMath number 120. So this morning we were continuing our exploration of transformations of functions. And the book, Art of Problem Solving's algebra book, had a really neat problem where they just gave you a function at one point and asked you to transform it. And we spent a long time on that. So I made up a new problem, and let's see if we can go through the same exercise. Okay. So say you have a function f of x, and you know that f of 1 is 6. Okay, find a point on these functions. Okay, the first one, g of x equals 12 f of x. Okay?
Alright.
What do you think about this one?
Well, to do this function, you just have to take our f of x and then just multiply the result by 12. So, this is the only point we know on f of x.
Okay.
So we can say we have 12 times 6, because when we substituted 1 for x, f of 1 is 6.
Okay.
Which is 72.
Right. And what is that? What is the point on this function?
It's 1, 72.
Yeah. And sorry, I didn't realize until just now I didn't write this correct. Find a point on the graph, I meant, of this function. So at x equals 1, when x equals 1, g of 1 is 72. Okay?
Right.
Sorry for writing it wrong.
So this function, h of x, is just f of x minus 4.
Okay.
Which is 6 minus 4, which is 2. This is the y values of each point.
Okay, so what is the point on the graph of h of x?
1, 2.
1, 2. Okay. Alright. What about m of x here?
So it's f of x minus 4. We need this to equal 1.
What to equal 1?
X minus 4 has to equal 1.
Okay,
so
x minus 4 has to equal 1.
X is 5.
Okay.
So we know m of 5 is 1.
Alright.
So our point is 5, 1.
Okay.
Then last one.
N of x.
Well, we have to find 2x equals 1. So x has to be 1/2. So n of 1/2 equals 1. For this, we get 1/2, comma 1.
Okay, now let's look at the geometry of this. Can you maybe back up just a touch? Let's try to squeeze it in right here. Okay, so for our function f of 1, we got 6. Okay, 12 times f of x.
We got 72.
72, so good, way up there. Okay, probably
Really
much
sure.
higher than that, obviously, but maybe that's fine. F of x minus 4 for h of x. So this was g of x. It got multiplied by 12, so it went way up.
So h of x is just right here.
Okay. What about, you can point to which dot h of x is. Okay, good. What about f of x minus 4? Here, f of x minus 4. What's the difference?
Well, it's 5. It goes over to 5,
Okay.
and then goes up 1.
Can you make that actually go up 1?
What do you mean?
This looks like it went up a half up. Probably didn't show up on camera, but it's got to go up that much, right?
Okay, so
Okay, so what point is that?
this is h of x. No, it's m of x.
Okay. That's 5,1. So f of x minus 4 shifted it over that way. 5. And what about this one, f of 2x? What is that?
Well, it's this. Goes up 1, but it's 1/2 1.
Okay, very good. Good job. This is actually a pretty interesting exercise of just taking one point and seeing how it transforms around. All right. Good job, sweetie pie. Good job.